Okay guys, I'm gonna show you how to plant the money tree. This is money tree I got. I'm gonna change the pot. See, I have the stone in here. Go ahead, put the stone in here, and I'm gonna add on some more. And I'm gonna add on. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put the dirt on that. This is stone. Already got it, and I'm gonna go ahead and put the dirt on here because the money trees it make you feel good luck. You know, Asian, Chinese, or Asian people we believe in stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put up this dirt in here. Okay, okay, the dirt's about just enough to put in. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here, take it out, and put in the jar, because this is one right here. When they grow up beautiful and they're gonna have a lot of baby, gonna grow a baby. So I'm gonna go here. When they grow the baby, they say passing on, give to your friend, give to somebody who need that. So they're gonna grow a lot of baby. So what I'm gonna fill up right here, fill up the dirt, make it nice and beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead. Put the dirt in here, make it very nice. See how beautiful is that? Beautiful, right? I think this is so beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. Let them grow. They're gonna have more baby side here, side there. A lot of baby. When they come out, a lot of baby. Pass on to your friend, your family, let anybody have, because they say lucky tree, they call money tree. That's Chinese people, they believe in stuff like that. So hey, I love the plants anyway, so you know, if they grow beautiful, and I love it. This is my relaxing mind to stay there and watching them grow and beautiful, and then you know, something you can do with, and just feeling good when you see you beautiful. And you have it. It's just beautiful. You can grow. They call money tree. I cannot find anywhere. This is very special. My friend gave it to me. So special. Look at that. And about the bottom. Don't have it too tight. I put the stone in the bottom. Stone, half stone. And then the dirt half. And after that I'm going to water. Just make them happy, a little bit of water. When you water, they don't need too much water either. They just need just moist, because they don't have no hole to exit. Because that's the reason why I put a stone down there. And when you water it, just tap, and then like a shower, moist only, not like a whole lot. Because the dirt, the moist here, you can water every once in a while, not all the time. You can feel that. You know when you got this tree, you know you can feel that. So that's it. Look at how beautiful is that. I love it. Beautiful. That's it. Yep. Here's a beautiful money tree, you guys. Beautiful. Yep. You can do it too. You can do it because it just make you happy. Alright guys, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe. I will come up more idea to share with you, because I love outdoor, I love everything. Love to do, so I just want to share. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.